Well, Sherri, this is the big day here, so are you excited?
Yes.
All right, that's what we like to hear. Well, we'll have to see how this fits first of all, and then we'll actually let you see what we got. We gotta see how much we have to do to get this fitted. And
Okay.
okay, good. What do you think? Huh? Close together for me. How's your body? Hitting heavy in any areas there? Okay, good. We'll check that. But before we do that, a moment of truth. We got to make sure you like the looks of it here. You ready?
Yes.
There you go. Go ahead. Hold on. Take a look. What do you think? Nice to have your smile back.
We got it.
Okay, good. We're so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Listen, just the look on your face is all the payment we need. You know that's.
You've really changed my life. You just don't know.
Yeah, well, we're so happy to help you there, Sherri. And oh, okay. Here, we gotta give you one more hug.
Looks great.
All right.
It's gorgeous.